These are what my nails currently look like. I'll show y'all real quick. And we're about to go get them done.
Danny on the track, boys.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maj, here from the fashion culture. Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair, my makeup. I don't really know what I'm looking like, even though I'm looking at the camera. I'm driving, but I'm about to get my nails done. Same nail tech that you guys saw in the last video. I usually go to a different person. Her name is Amy, but I haven't been going to her recently because our schedules have just been conflicting. So I'm pulling up to that person right now. His name is Andy, which you guys saw in the last video. So he's about to do my refill. If you guys haven't seen my birthday set, I'll leave a card up at the top so you guys can check that video out. So yeah, just about to get a refill, and I'm bringing you guys with me. Yet again, you guys seem to like these kind of videos, so I'm going to keep bringing them for you. So this is the finished result. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys seem to really love these nail vlogs, so I will be doing one every single time I get my nails done, because I get my nails done literally like every 2 weeks. Faithfully, I love getting my nails, well, I don't love getting my nails done, but I love having my nails done. So bringing you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Bye dolls, stay fab.